Today we are going to flatten and dress this sharpening stone. It's a water stone, king branded, supposed to be 1000 and 6000 grit. It comes with this base. It's quite a good base, doesn't impede sharpening on both sides. The 1000 grit side, we're gonna hash it with a pencil. This is my Skerper flattening stone. It's supposed to be two-sided with a 24 grit side and 220 grit side. We're going to use the 24 grit side for the 1000 grit sharpening stone side. Here we can see the marks are disappearing on the left top and bottom of the stone because I'm right-handed, so I use mostly the middle and right side of the stone. Little bit of water and liquid grinding. Almost gone, and the hash marks are gone. This was about maybe 3 minutes in real time, so it was quite quick. I don't use this stone too much, but it saw some use over a couple years, so it was fast. We're gonna go for a second marking, just to make sure everything is really flat and dressed up. And all marks are gone, so this side is now prepped. The slight discoloration you see is due to water ingraining in the stone. It's not due to imperfection in the surface. This is the 6000 grit side. Same thing, hash marks, and we are going to use the finer 220 grit side of the flattening stone. The feeling while flattening here is much more tacky, almost greasy, because the flattening stone surface is finer and the abrasive particles coming off the stone are much finer too, because it's a 6000 grit side. So it takes maybe a bit longer, I'd say 5 to 6 minutes real time. You can see the slurry formed is a bit denser than with the 1000 grit side, which is normal, because the abrasives are finer and denser. So this side is almost ready. There's a slight bit of a discoloration in the middle. Turning around the flattening stone, trying to use all the surface. Same as in sharpening, actually. We go for the checkup, and it's perfectly flat. Now check this out. 1000 grit side is good, 6000 grit too, and the edges of the stone are still chamfered, so I barely even removed any material, which is good. You want chamfered edges, ideally, on your sharpening stones. Not too chamfered, but a little bit. The holder did its job. I bought it at the same time as the flattening stone. It's the same Skerper brand, quite popular in Europe. So the flattening stone was the two-sided Skerper SA004, 24 and 220 grit. Did the job, might see some performance reduction with time and use, but it's fine for now. Comes in a really nice box with some styrofoam protection. And this is the holder. It cleaned up quite nicely, as you can see. Shouldn't rust and should be easy to air up. That's why I bought it. And it's quite light too. Can go up to 22 centimeter stones, so quite versatile too. And rather narrow, which is appreciated. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe. Train like your life depends on it, because it does. And see you in the next one.